One strategy, one click, one paycheck. Affiliate marketing. It's the secret that top earners don't want you to know. Imagine making money by simply promoting products you love without ever having to create anything yourself. Sounds like the perfect side hustle, right? What if I told you it's possible to earn $1,000 a week with affiliate marketing, even if you're a complete beginner? So stick with me, because we're about to dive into the fastest way to get started. And trust me, you'll want to hear this. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on building your online income. Understanding affiliate marketing. What if you could earn money just by recommending products? Affiliate marketing is simple at its core, but offers immense potential for income. There are 3 key players in the process. Number 1, the merchant, advertiser. This is the company or individual offering the product or service. For example, platforms like Coursera, GetResponse, or Wikipedia have affiliate programs that you can join. Number 2, the affiliate, publisher. That's you, the marketer who promotes the merchant's products to potential customers. As an affiliate, you'll share your unique affiliate link in your blog posts, videos, social media, etc. Number 3, the customer. This is the person who purchases the product through your affiliate link. Once they make a purchase, you earn a commission. To track your sales, cookies and affiliate IDs are used, which ensure that every sale made through your referral is properly credited to you. Identify a profitable niche. Could choosing the right niche be the key to earning $1,000 per week? Selecting the right niche is the first step toward success in affiliate marketing. Without a niche, you could end up promoting products to an audience that isn't interested in what you have to offer, leading to wasted efforts and minimal earnings. Your niche should be something you're passionate about, but it should also have a strong market demand. Consider researching popular topics like health and wellness, finance, technology, or lifestyle. Use tools like Google Trends, SEMrush, or Keyword Planner to help you gauge market demand and spot gaps in the market where you can establish yourself as an authority. Once you've chosen a niche, think about the types of products or services people are willing to pay for in that space. For example, fitness enthusiasts may buy workout programs, equipment, or supplements, while tech lovers may seek gadgets, software, or online courses. Choose affiliate programs wisely. How can partnering with the right affiliate programs maximize your earnings? Selecting the right affiliate programs is crucial to your success. The wrong program can lead to low commissions, poor customer support, and poor conversion rates. Fortunately, there are numerous affiliate platforms to choose from, and they come in different shapes and sizes. Popular affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale have diverse offerings, ranging from consumer products to digital services. However, be mindful of the commission structure, product quality, and the reputation of the merchant you're partnering with. If you're targeting a specific audience, choose affiliate programs that align with their interests. For example, if your niche is technology, you could promote products like laptops, software tools, or online courses on programming. The key is to pick high-quality products that will provide real value to your audience. Build an online presence. Could a strong online presence be your ticket to attracting a loyal audience? Your online presence is your brand in affiliate marketing. If no one knows who you are, how will they trust you enough to buy through your affiliate links? Start by creating a platform where you can share valuable content. This can be a blog, YouTube channel, podcast, or social media profiles like Instagram or Twitter. The key is consistency and quality. Post regularly and make sure your content provides value to your audience, whether it's informative, entertaining, or both. Blogging is particularly effective for affiliate marketers because it allows you to create long-form content like product reviews, tutorials, or guides. But platforms like YouTube can also work wonders, as people often search for product reviews before making a purchase. By regularly posting valuable content, you'll build trust with your audience, which is essential for making affiliate sales. Create valuable content. What if your content could persuade people to purchase through your affiliate links? Content is king in affiliate marketing. The more value you provide, the more likely your audience will trust you and take action on your affiliate recommendations. Start by creating content that solves problems for your audience. Product reviews, tutorials, comparison articles, and case studies work well in affiliate marketing. This kind of content allows you to naturally weave your affiliate links into your text without sounding too salesy. Make sure your affiliate links are placed strategically within your content. For example, in a product review, you could offer your honest opinion, highlight the pros and cons, and then share your affiliate link for readers to make a purchase. Drive targeted traffic. How can driving the right kind of traffic help you earn $1,000 a week with affiliate marketing? You can create amazing content, but if no one sees it, you won't make any sales. The next step is to drive targeted traffic to your content. People who are interested in your niche and are more likely to click on your affiliate links. There are many ways to generate traffic. Search engine optimization, SEO, is a long-term strategy that involves optimizing your content to rank higher on search engines like Google. This way, you can attract organic traffic for free. Paid advertising is another powerful tool. Platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Instagram Ads allow you to target specific audiences and drive traffic to your content. While it involves an upfront cost, paid advertising can result in quick conversions if done correctly. Other methods of driving traffic include leveraging social media platforms, email marketing, and guest blogging. Optimize conversion rates. What if small changes to your website or content could significantly increase your earnings? Driving traffic to your website is just one piece of the puzzle. The next step is to ensure that the traffic you attract converts into affiliate sales. This is where conversion optimization comes into play. A few strategies to optimize conversions include A/B testing. Experiment with different headlines, calls to action, CTAs, or landing pages to see which ones convert better. Clear CTAs. Make sure your audience knows exactly what action they need to take, whether it's clicking an affiliate link or signing up for a newsletter. Trust signals. Include testimonials, product reviews, and secure payment icons to increase your audience's confidence in making a purchase. Using tools like Google Analytics can also help you track your traffic and conversion rates, so you can make data-driven decisions to improve your results. Scale your efforts. Could scaling your affiliate marketing efforts lead to exponential income growth? Once you've found a strategy that works, scaling is the next step. This could involve increasing your advertising budget, outsourcing content creation, or exploring new affiliate programs. Diversifying your income streams is also a smart way to grow your affiliate marketing earnings. For example, you could expand into new niches or promote higher-ticket products that offer bigger commissions per sale. Real-life example: earning $50,000 a month with affiliate marketing. What if you could earn over $50,000 per month like Stephanie Hulsey? Stephanie Hulsey, a social media influencer, shared how she earns $50,000 a month through affiliate marketing, mainly using Pinterest. She dedicates just 1 to 2 hours a day to promoting products by creating engaging pins with affiliate links. This passive income strategy has allowed her to build a six-figure income by recommending products to her followers. Now, tips for success in affiliate marketing. What can you do to ensure your affiliate marketing efforts are successful? Patience and persistence. Affiliate marketing doesn't bring instant results. Stay committed and keep refining your strategies. Continuous learning. The digital marketing landscape is always evolving, so stay updated on the latest tools, techniques, and trends. Compliance. Make sure to disclose your affiliate relationships to your audience to maintain trust and stay compliant with legal requirements. So, what do you think? Could affiliate marketing be the right path for you to earn $1,000 a week or more? With dedication and the right strategies, it's more than possible. What part of affiliate marketing excites you the most? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like and share, and also subscribe to watch more tips on how to earn money online.